Hi, everybody. It's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and you are going to run to the dollar store when you see the Valentine's Day finds, freebies, and DIYs I have for you today. The first thing I want to share are these super cute socks that say, "This year, wine is my Valentine." The dollar store has tons of sock options for Valentine's Day, and they're super cute paired with these "You Knock My Socks Off" tags that I designed. You can download them for free, print them like a regular 4x6 photo, cut them into three, and attach them to the socks with some double-sided tape. I'll leave the link in the description below to the place where you can download these tags for free. This next idea is perfect if you don't want to be sentimental and sappy this Valentine's Day. I designed these tags that say, "You don't suck, happy Valentine's Day," and they're perfect paired with some dollar store suckers. I'll leave the link below to where you can download these tags. You print them like a regular 4x6 photo, cut them into three, punch a hole in the top with a hole punch, and attach it to the suckers with some twine. And that's it. Another great find at Dollarama this year are these Valentine's Day t-shirts. I absolutely love this for $4. It's super fun and festive. Next up is a fun Valentine's Day twist on a Christmas DIY that I did this year using dollar store supplies. All you need to do is take a dollar store shot glass and add some hot glue to the bottom. Then take a clear plastic ornament and attach it to the shot glass. Then grab your hot glue gun again and use it to attach the top of a pop can to the front of the shot glass. Then all you have to do is fill the ornament with gumballs and you have a little gumball machine. To turn the gumball machine into a Valentine, all you need to do is attach the tag that I designed. I'll leave the link in the description below to the free download. The tag says, "I couldn't choose a better friend." It's a really cute punny tag. All you need to do is punch a hole in the corner and add it to the gumball machine. Another Dollarama find that I'm loving this year are these glittery heart garlands. You can use it like it is as a garland, or you can cut it apart and use each heart separately in your decor. I used mine separately. I removed everything from the garland around my door that was red and Christmassy, and I replaced it with these little hearts. And now I can use my garland as Valentine's Day / winter decor, and I think it looks super cute. Let me know. What do you think? I always love these heart-shaped glasses that they have for Valentine's Day at the dollar store. They make a perfect Valentine when you pair them with the tag I designed that says, "I think you are spectacular." Gotta love a good pun. You can print these for free on my blog. I'll leave the link in the description below. You cut them into three, and then you make a hole with a hole punch and use a piece of twine to attach them to the glasses. And you have a super cute Valentine. Sweet treats are synonymous with Valentine's Day, and they are perfect when paired with the tag I designed that says a little treat for someone sweet. I'll leave a link in the description below to the download. You can use store-bought goodies or you can bake something homemade. Attach the tag with some double-sided tape or twine, and it is ready for gifting. If your Valentine prefers salty snacks to sweet treats, this one is for you. I designed this tag that says you are all that and a bag of chips, and you can download it for free on my blog. I'll leave the link in the description below. Attach it to a bag of chips, and it's ready for gifting. My boys are hockey players, so this one is for them. It is a really simple idea. You print off these tags that say you're an excellent teammate for the Excel gum, and you cut the tag, use some double-sided tape to attach it to the back, and it's a cute little Valentine. I'll leave the link to the download in the description below. I hope you like these easy and inexpensive Valentine's Day ideas. I have more coming, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.